In previous movie, we just create two files, index.html and style.css. In index.html, inside this we create the 4 blocks using div id, and we gave the 4 unique div id name, and we create the blank style sheets. At this time I want to work with style sheet, so let's open the style sheet with Notepad++. You can see it's blank because we didn't apply any style to our web page. Now let's review one more time our index.html. We use the 4 div id. Now I want to work with first heads, div id heads. Before go style sheet, let's open our web grids. In our web grids, you can see the head is on top in our web page. If I'm building the wall, then I have to measure from bottom to top, bottom left to top. But in web designing or in any screen designing, we have to start measuring from top left corner, from here, not from here. Now let's close this web grids. Now let's start with style sheets. First I want to apply the style to heads. I want to make my div id heads background reds, and I want to make the width of head is 800 pixels. For this, let's start with hash. It's because if we are using the div, then we must start with hash to indicate div id. So after hash we give the div id name. So if we are working for this, then copy this div id name and paste, and give the one space, and open and close curly braces. Between this we keep the style. For now let's make width 800 pixel, background color reds, and let's say height 130 pixel. Save this and open this index.html with Internet Explorer. You can see the red rectangular shape with width in white 800 pixels and height 130 pixels. Now let's go to next div id. So our next div id is navigation. Copy this and start with as navigation clearly and brushes, and let's say with 300 pixel, height 50 pixel, and let's say background color green, so we can see clearly with this navigation block. Save this and refresh the web page. Now you can see the green rectangular shape. If we look our web grids, then the navigation bar is in right side, but in our web page it's on left side. It's because if we didn't say anything about where to locate our div blocks, then internet browser will automatically set on left side because it's a default value. So let's change this default value go to navigation div id and type flh float colon and set the value right. So now we say that this navigation div id must float to right side, not left, not to center, must be on right side. So save this and refresh the web page. Now you can see the navigation bar is floating right side. Now we finish the two div id. We finish the first heads and we finish the second for navigation. In next video I will show you about main body and text. Remember that the width of main body and text is 500 pixel width for main body and 230 pixels for text div id. See you in next video.